Welcome back. As I promised, devlogs will be more frequent now, so let's get started. For today I planned to start working on the upgrade system for towers. So my general idea is that every tower will have an upgrade tree which looks like this. As you can see, after second upgrade you will have two paths to choose from, and depending on which path you choose, the tower will work differently. So speaking of Amogus, one path of upgrades will make him shoot multiple bullets, and the other path will make him shoot one big bullet. I think that's a pretty basic but good idea. Okay, I've just done it. Let's see if it works. Yeah, of course, it doesn't. Okay, I fixed it, and now Amogus is finally a useful tower. Also, these several seconds of video took about 3 hours of my life, so let's take a break. I've recharged my batteries and now I am full of excitement and energy to work on the potatoes upgrades. The general idea is that the upgrades on the left will make potatoes shoot penetrating lasers, and upgrades on the right will totally change potatoes into something similar to Spike Factory from Bloons Tower Defense. Let's jump into the work. I've just implemented left upgrade path to the potatoes, and that was very easy, just copying a bunch of previous code, and now I need to think about how to make the remaining upgrades. So the idea is that every time when potatoes shoots, it chooses a random direction and shoots an invisible ray. If the ray hits the road in range of the tower, then it shoots a bullet in this direction. If it doesn't, then the process repeats. And that's it. Everything is done, all towers are nicely working. So, yeah. New day, new opportunities. So for today I plan to fix the upgrade system because I just thought about that. I forgot to take money from the player after buying upgrades, and also when player sells the upgraded tower, then he needs to get more money, so I need to implement that. It took a while, but it wasn't so hard. I just had to analyze the old code and change something. Now everything is working fine, so let's add another thing. So because I'm tired of yesterday's thinking, the idea is to make main menu more alive. So I've got at this moment two pictures which can be the background in the menu, and I want them to change so the menu will be more alive. I've been doing this for 2 hours and I hate this. It wasn't that easy as I thought it would be. So I will try to focus now and get this done. Okay, after a while of thinking I got it, and I think the final effect is quite good. And I hope it will be even better when I make more pictures to be as that background. And the last thing will be making textures for Adolphus upgrades, and tomorrow I will implement him, so we'll get another tower done. Let's draw them real quick. Plans for today are to implement Adolphus and start editing the video, so it will be published sooner than a month from the last one. So to Adolphus I got a pretty basic idea for upgrades. So the upgrades on the left will make him shoot with bigger and better rockets, bombs, whatever it is. and upgrades on the right will make him throw multiple grenades, so similar to Amogus but with explosive bullets. And to make things more logical, I've changed the default Adolphus, and now he starts with a single little grenade, and his good old Panzerfaust is his third upgrade. Okay, I've added Adolphus. That was really easy because I hadn't to think of any new mechanics, because even with throwing multiple grenades, that's what Amogus is already doing, so I just copied the code, you know. And for the left upgrades, just shooting different bullets with bigger explosions, and the only problem was that almost every upgrade has a different bullet, and to implement them all, that was just tiring. With Adolphus done, let's start writing the script for the video and editing the video. Today I don't have much time, but I've still decided to try fixing the game so it could be played in the browser, like first Amogus Tower Defense. Right now the game freezes when choosing a map, so I suspect that one script which makes important things before starting the game causes the crash. So let's fix it. So I found that the problematic script is the one which is responsible for managing the waves, so I disabled it, built the game, and the game didn't crash. So nice. Let's try to make it fully working now, because of course you can't play the game when one of the main scripts is disabled. Fortunately for me, just a quick search on Google led me to this nice code on Stack Overflow, and I've decided just to borrow it for my game, and the game is finally working in the browser. Nice. And that will be everything what I made this week. I hope you enjoyed this different format of the devlog, and to let you know, I've decided that the next version will be published when I make upgrades for the rest of the towers, so that will be probably in the next week. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and stay tuned for the next videos.